welcome back to my channel. So this is me again, Teacher Jelo, and for today's video, I will be teaching you on how to fold your clothes properly. And now, without further ado, let's start this video.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Folding shirts properly is a great skill to have when you need to save space in your dresser or in your closet. So there are many different ways on how to fold, of course, your clothes depending upon on the type of shirt that you have. Then, store all your newly folded shirts to keep them tidy and wrinkle-free before you wear them. Step number 1. Lay the shirt face down on a flat surface. Find some space on a table, your bed, or another area that gives you plenty of space to maneuver. Spread the shirt out and flip it so its on front side is down. If your shirt has an image on it like many t-shirts do, make sure you place the image face down. Step number 2. Smooth the fabric out to remove any wrinkles on it. Pull the sleeves out of the aren't bunched over the fabric. Also tag on the collar and the hem to stretch them out and get the shirt to lay as flat as possible on your folding surface. Iron the shirt before folding it if you notice any wrinkles. Step number 3. Fold the shirt sideways into thirds to bring the sleeves in. Work on one side of the shirt at a time by gripping the hem and the shoulder. Fold the shirt over itself, then lay the sleeve down on top of it. Smooth it out until it is flat. Then, fold the other side in the same way. Let's do this. Step number 4. Fold the sleeves back in if they don't lay neatly over the fabric. If you are folding a shirt with sleeves that are a little longer than normal, lay out each sleeves individually. After folding the shirt, stretch the sleeve out across the center of the shirt. Then, fold the sleeve back towards you. Pull it down so it rests on top of the shirt. So this is our sleeve. We're going to fold it going back. Then press. And for the last step, fold the shirt in half from the bottom up. The remaining part of the shirt should be much easier to fold than the sleeves. All you have to do is to lift up the shirt's hem. Hold onto it with both hands and bring it up to the collar. Hold here and fold the shirt into half. And now, we have already our folded shirt. Now, I will be showing you still other ways on how to fold, of course, your shirt, just like your polo or with sleeves. Check this out. Okay, so let's fold into thirds, then fold going back for outside direction for the sleeve, then fold the half and half, then fold the sleeves in outside direction again, then place your hand and get the bottom part of the shirt close and fold it going back. Now, you have already folded one. Next. So for the sleeve, we're going to fold it this way. Now, we're going to fold it into half. And we have already your folded top sleeve. We have this one. We have this one. And we have this one. And there you have it. So those are the different ways on how to fold your clothes properly. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And of course, subscribe to my channel, Teacher Jelo. And if you want to be notified with all my videos or upcoming videos, don't forget to hit the bell button. So that's all for this day. See you and God bless everyone. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.